Today we will do the uses of must in sentences. Now, when we use must, we have four categories. One, must is used when something is necessary. Next one, in determination. I must win. Next, must is used in duty. And finally, must is used for certainty. So we will look at the four categories in the sentence usage of must. Uses of must. We use must to say something is necessary. Okay, that's the first one. We use first one. We use must. We use must to say something. To say something is necessary. Like we'll say the sentence, you will be leaving college soon. You must think of your future. Okay, that's the first one. We have here, you will be. You will be leaving. You will be leaving college. You will be leaving college soon. You must think of your future. Soon, you must. You must think of, think of your future. Your future. We must exercise every day to keep fit. We must exercise. We must exercise every day to keep fit. Okay, that's the first category. Let's look at it again. We have here, we use must to say something is necessary. Now, the first sentence we have, you will be leaving college soon. You must think of your future. We must exercise every day to keep fit. And in the second category, we have must is used for determination. Number two, must is used determination. Okay. In determination as I must win this match. I must win. I must win this match. And the second we have, I must take him. I must make him do as I want. The second one, I must. I must make him do. I must make him do as I want. I must make him do as I want. Okay, let's look at it. The second one is determination. When you're determined to do something, then you use must. I must win. I have to win. I must win this match. I must make him do as I want. So in determination, we use must. And in the third category, duty. In duty, we use must. A soldier must fight for his country. Everyone must do his duty. So in the third one, the third category, it is used in duty. Okay, as first one. A soldier must fight. A soldier must fight for his country. For his country. And in the second sentence, we have everyone must do his or her duty. Everyone. Everyone must do his or her duty. So, in duty, okay, in performing duty, we use must. A soldier must fight for his country. Everyone must do his work. First category, must is used in necessary. We must exercise every day. Second one, determination. To win something, I must. And the third, to do duty. Everyone must do his or her own duty. Now, in the fourth category, must is used for certainty. Like, he must have reached his home by now. Certainty. Or, your father must have been very strong. So, in the fourth category, we have certainty. Here, the first sentence we have is, he must have. He must have. He must have reached. He must have reached his home. His home by now. By now. And the second sentence I have here is, your father must have been very strong. Very strong. Now, these are the four categories where we use must. So, the last one is certainty. He must have reached He's home by now. Your father must have been very strong. So, must is used in 4 different ways in the sentences. First, we use must to say something is necessary. Like, you will be leaving college soon. You must think of your future. Must is used. Second, we must exercise every day to keep fit. That is necessary. Second, determination. In determination sentences, we use must. I must win this match. Or I must make him do as I want. Or I must pass my examination. Or I must win the race. Or I must win in the test, whatever. So determination. Third, duty. When it calls for duty, we use must. A soldier must fight for his country. Everyone must do his or her duty. And finally, certainty. He must have reached his home by now. Your father must have been very strong. So, 4 different ways of using must. So, what we have done is uses of must in 4 different categories.